Welcome to a family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we are going to be creating cardboard loom bracelets. The required materials include scissors, a pencil, and a ruler, cardboard of shipping box thickness, 7 strands of embroidery floss in various colors, a circular object for tracing such as a cup, lid, or can, and then optional tape to secure the bracelet while finishing. Let's begin by creating our cardboard loom. Trace a circle onto a piece of cardboard and cut it out. Draw lines across the circle and divide it into 8 equal sections. Carefully make a hole at the center of your circle where your lines meet, and this hole should be large enough to fit your 7 strands of embroidery thread through. Then cut a small slit about a ½ inch in length along each line from the outer edge towards the center. Then cut 7 strands of embroidery floss to equal lengths. I am using about 24 inches of each color. Take your strands and tie them together at one end. Thread the knotted end through the center hole so the strands come out the front of the loom. You can also place a piece of tape on the underside of the loom to keep the strings in place. Place 1 strand into each slit around the circle. You will have 1 empty space remaining. Hold the loom so that this empty space is facing you. To begin weaving, count 3 strands to the left of the empty slit. Take the strand out of its slot and move it down into the empty slit. This creates a new empty space. Rotate the loom so that the empty space is facing you again. Repeat the same step by counting 3 strands to the left and moving that strand into the empty space. Continue this pattern and watch the bracelet form. The woven bracelet will begin to grow under the loom from the center. Gently pull on the strands from time to time from the back of your loom to help the bracelet form and tighten. Continue weaving until your bracelet reaches your desired length, and once you're at that point, remove the strands from the loom. Tie a knot at the end and trim any excess yarn. Finally, secure your bracelet around your wrist or braid the ends for an adjustable closure. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.